Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Blender Art LDS, and today we are going to discuss about the speed of particle and lifetime of the particle. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And also there is one more special update for you guys, that I will be covering uh, tutorials on geometry nodes. Each and every geometry nodes I will make tutorials on those nodes. So please subscribe. There will be a lot to learn from the geometry node. I will be covering each and every node. So please subscribe. So let's get into the video. And today, what we are going to do, first I need to create a emitter. To create emitter, I add circle, and by pressing F, by going into the edit mode, I create a particle system. You can see if I hit play, the particle is emitting. Correct. Now, you can see the lifetime of the particle here is 50. So each and every particle which is emitting on a specific frame is dissolving after 50 frame. You can see by example, if I go 1000 to one frame, and the lifetime is 50 here, and end frame is 200, but our end frame is 250. Our animation to end frame is 250, and the particle end frame is 200. So we can do it to 250, 300, or whatever you want to change here. So yes, I add here a number, one here, and lifetime is 50. So the particle which is emitting from the plane here is dissolving after 50 frame. You can see by going into the 51, it is dissolving. So this is how you can change the lifetime of the particle. This is not the speed of particle. To change the speed of particle, you need to go into the velocity. Here, if you change the velocity to be 10, the particle will go up, because positive direction is upside, so it will go up and again go down. So after 50, it get dissolved. So if we give it to 100, then the particle will go up, and again it goes down, and it dissolve at after 101 frame. It get dissolved at 101 frame. You can see again here, and yeah, here it get dissolved. So my uh, intention to control the lifetime of the particle is with also with units also. Here you can see, first of all, I will go into the modifier. You can see if I give it to -10, now the particle won't go up. You can see it direct go down. Yes, like this, it directly goes down and get dissolved after 100 frames. Similarly, if I do 1,000 particle, then each of the uh, it means 1,000 number of particles means each and every frame will emit 1,000 number of particle till the end frame, which we have set here in the particle setting. And each and every particle will dissolve after each and every particle on a specific frame which is emitting is dissolved after 100. So you can see it is emitting, and the dissolve started dissolving after. So yeah, the particle which is emitting from 1, it will get dissolved at 101, which is and another, if they are emitting from 2, then they are dissolving at 103, something like that. So this is how the lifetime of particle work. And speed of particle, you can control it from here. If you give it to 1, -1, then the particle will go slow. And if the particle you want that you can control the each and every particle from units also by going into the gravity. Here the direction is z, and the thing is, if I give it to, for example, 0, the particle will go down, because the gravity is -9.8. If I give it to 0, the particle will remain at the same place. and if I give it to 9.8, so it will go started going up. The setting followed by each and every particle will be the same which we have set here, but the speed is changed just because we have changed the data inside the gravity. From here you can also change the data, but keep in mind that if you are changing the data for one particle, you should back particles. So I'll be covering that videos too. So now what we are going to do, we are going to add a force inside this. So to add force inside this, we are going to add yeah, force field and curve guide. So in curve guide, you can see we have curve guide. So the curve which is the circle on the curve which is not with the dashed line is the starting point, and the circle which is with the dashed lines is the ending point of the force field. So I'll delete this and yeah, grab X. Okay. So yes, now you can see the particle will follow here. The particle is following the speed. So on the curve, we are going to change the speed of the particle. So how we can change the speed of the particle? So this curve is, you can assume that the curve is filled with the lifetime. For example, if we give a emitter lifetime of 100, so the curve is of 100 frame of lifetime now. If we give it to 200, so so now the curve is full of 200 frames of lifetime. For example, if I give it to 1, means the particle which is emitting from this starting from this end will go to this end just in the difference of 1 frame only. You can see I go it to 1, and starting and ending frame I will set to 1. Then you can see particle, we can't see the particle because they just emit and dissolve, because we have given a lifetime of 1. If we give to 10, then the particle is emitting from 1 frame and ending at 1 frame. After that, no particle is emitting from the another frame. So the particle is emitting from 1 frame, which will dissolve in 10 frames. You can see at, at 10, 11 and 10. This is 10 and 11. All particle is getting dissolved. So the lower number of lifetime is you keep inside the field here. If you give it to 2, means the lower number is the fastest speed of the particle in the lifetime of the particle if you are following the force field like curve or something else. And if you give a 1,000 number of frame inside the lifetime, then each and every particle which is emitting from this plane will dissolve after 1,000 frame. So you can see I need to increase the data here, and it will dissolve after 1,000 frame be here. So you can see at 1,000 it is getting dissolved. So this is how you can change the speed of a particle in the curve force field, if the or any force field. And if the force field is not applied, you can change the speed of particle by normal and gravity. Here in gravity, you can also insert keyframe here, and also you can insert keyframe here too. So this is how you can change the speed of particle by on force field. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day, or please subscribe our channel, because I'll be covering more videos. As I said that I will be covering more videos on geometry nodes. So please subscribe our channel. I will be experimenting all of the geometry nodes my upcoming playlist, which is I am recording right now. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.